Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix domain verification problems in Durable AI in 2026. So if you're trying to connect a custom domain and Durable AI won't verify it, or you're seeing a domain verification error, here are some common solutions you can try. First, double check that you've entered the correct domain name inside Durable AI. A small typo can prevent the verification process from working properly. Next, review the DNS records provided by Durable AI and compare them with the records you've added at your domain registrar. Yeah, even one incorrect value can cause verification to fail. After that, make sure you've added the required DNS records exactly as instructed. Pay close attention to record types, host names, target values, and any special formatting requirements. Another good idea is testing the domain settings using your registrar's DNS tools or domain management panel to ensure the records are visible and active. Finally, attempt the verification process once more after confirming all settings. In many cases, correcting DNS records or allowing more time for propagation will resolve the problem, and that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix domain verification problems in Durable AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.